Hello everyone, today we will dive into the world of economic. We start our journey to economics, so I will introduce the economics for you. When you when you heard about economics, what comes to your mind? It's just about money, or sometimes you like economics too complicating, is difficult, or even overwhelming about it. So today we'll break down step by step, make the economics clear, make economics not difficult. Because by the end of these videos, you can know economics is not just theoretical, but also economics is in the world around us. Economics in our real life. Because economics is your choices. Because everything that's connected with money in this world, we can call economics like that. Okay. Starting with smile and take a deep breath. It's make you enjoy to watching my channel like that and to understand better. Okay, this is the skill that you must have it. The skill is what it is. You must good in calculating because several in the material in economics we use formula also because economics is about money, right? The several material, and we must have the good analytical analyze about the economic itself. And you like theoretical, yeah, because economic is not just calculating, but almost is theoretical, but it's related to our real life. And then you like the real life problem because economics is our real lives in this world. And you're curious, what can I make a solution that's, yeah, you like to problem solving to make a solution, and also you like to reading because reading is open your mind, open, you can look at this world with reading. Okay, this is the key skill that you must have it. But today we will start our journey to economics, but especially about the senior high school because I used to teaching before, but today I just want to share my knowledge for you. Yeah, we learn about the IGCSE Economics course book, zero level. Yeah, it's for senior high school like that, and we use Cambridge curriculum. Okay, so what we will learn in IGCSE Economic in Cambridge curriculum? Okay, yeah, we will learn about the micro. Can you imagine micro? Micro is the small. Microbiota, yeah, is the small thing that economic have. Yeah, what is the small thing? What can small thing do? Yeah, this is great by you, all of you, one by one. So macroeconomics is about the individual choice, individual decision to buy something. Yeah, so this is focus for individual. Like you buy something, so you make a demand. Demand is that you're asking to buy, to want, to have the item like that. So the microeconomics focus for individual, like household, our household, and firms, and also about the supply and demand. And we have price determination, elasticity, and how markets works is about the small thing in economy. But actually, this is you already face in your real life. We're always doing it, but we never curious. We never thinking again about why we make decision, why the market's like that, why this company is more have profit than the other like that, and why the higher household is different with the poorest. So yeah, we learn about micro is individual and macroeconomics. So what is the macroeconomics? We learn about the macro. Can you imagine the macro? Macro is about the big things, the big thing, the big picture. Yeah, the macroeconomics we explain more about the country economics, inflation, unemployment, international trade, and economic growth of whole countries like that. Okay, it's clear. Okay, after that, what we will learn? So after we learn about the understanding about the structure of the book, we learn what can we learn economic easily, what can we have a good strategies to learning in economics that's not lost your time. So yeah, we learn with this technique. We learn with Japanese learning techniques. This is the technique that I suggest to you. Yeah, number one, you can make a note with Cornell notes taking method. It's like you divide your notebook like um, in the left is the keywords, but you write it after you write the main notes in the middle and summary in the bottom. It's also created by all by own your language, by own your perspective after you taking notes in the middle. When the teacher teaching you, you need to you must to write the main or the key point in the middle, and after that you make a conclusion when the key point and the key that's make you more understand. Yeah, this is the Cornell taking notes. It's a lot. You can get this in the Cornell taking notes. Yeah, this is the title and the main and keyword in here. Yeah, this is the cues column, the keywords, and this is the note taking area and summaries. Yeah. Okay. And after that, you not just learn in your class is not enough. You must to review what I already learned today after school. You must to have a review time because I used to in your age and I used to have the spaced repetition, review the notes after 1 day and 3 days and 1 week and 1 month for the semester test like that. Okay, and after that we can also use active recall. Instead it's only reading. You, you can test yourself to covering the notes and trying to explain the concepts in own words like after you read your notes you're teaching yourself. And after that, we have Suju is focus, the great focus short study session, 25 until 30 minutes with no distraction. Then take a short break. Okay, and okay, how to take notes tips. We must use short sentence like bullets, point, highlight or underline important economic terms, and use diagrams and arrow to explain cause and effect. And after class or reading, write one short paragraph in your own words. Yeah, these are the tips. Okay, okay. Because in economic, we have a new vocabulary that we not use in a common situation. So we must do make a personal glossary. Like we write the new vocabulary in economics in the small notes because I have also the notes. I have the small book notes like that, and we can use flashcard paper or apps like Anki or Quizlet. One side the opportunity cost, the other side the next best alternative, and try to use the new vocabulary when explaining concept to your friends or yourself. Yeah, I'm already explained it. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, okay, I'm very happy to meet all of you that's curious about economic. I will make the other chapter in IGCSE Economics like that. Thank you very much.